Hello everyone and welcome to Infinox Market Insights with me, Richard Perry, analysing markets for Infinox on Wednesday the 22nd of September. Now, market sentiment has been fluctuating in recent days. There was an attempt at a rally yesterday, but the rally got sold off into the close on Wall Street, but the rebound has taken hold once more. It seems as though the fluctuating fortunes of China Evergrande, which is a key property company in China that could potentially default on its loans and go bust, is certainly still on the minds of traders. But now looking ahead to today, we've got the FOMC meeting. Now this FOMC meeting has been on the minds of traders for months now. Could it be the moment that the Federal Reserve tapers asset purchases? Not really expected today, given the jobs report that we had previously, but certainly how the markets react to the Federal Reserve dot plots I think could be important, because those dot plots could well move the balance of opinion towards a 2022 rate hike. That would be hawkish from the Federal Reserve, and that would induce a bit of support for the dollar once more, and probably also hit risk appetite to the downside. So there'll be an important reaction, I think, to today's meeting. Now, markets are sort of preparing for this Federal Reserve meeting today. Equities are actually quite a little bit higher, but generally speaking, what you tend to see is the dollar consolidating. Risk appetite has improved overnight, so you are seeing that the commodity prices and commodity currencies are being supported by this, but broadly speaking, the euro and the dollar are basically flat against each other, as is sterling. So the charts we're looking out for today, we're looking at euro dollar, because euro, as I said, has just started to consolidate in front of this Federal Reserve meeting. But what are the key levels to look out for on the outlook of the meeting? Also looking at gold as well. Gold has rebounded in recent days up towards a key resistance, but is this just another aspect of the selling opportunity within the range as well? So we're finally going to look at the DAX, which again seems as though it's developed into a broad trading range, but a key rebound in the last few days. Is this a selling opportunity though? So let's have a look at the charts. So onto the Infinox MT5 platform, and starting off with euro dollar, we can see that effectively euro dollar is trading in a range. It's been like this for the last 3 months. It's fallen away below what I'm now seeing as a mid area of the range. You've got this old band of trading levels from the last few months, and it seems as though that is now going to act as a basis of resistance on this Federal Reserve meeting. You've got the move around 1750 up towards the 18 big figure, 1810 mark. And that's a band of 50 pips, 60 pips of resistance now. So just consolidating the last couple of days. But you can see the configuration of this momentum is negative, isn't it? All below 50 pretty much on the RSI suggests there's more of a negative bias. And that would suggest sort of a bias towards 1665, 1660 level of support there. But that is obviously the key level of support, because if you come back here, you can see that if you break down below that, you're looking at the 16 big figure area, and then below that, you really are to the downside. So this is a really important moment, I think, how the euro and the dollar reacts to this Federal Reserve meeting today. Now, looking at the gold chart, again, look at this band of trading that has come in again around the 1740, 1750 area, has been produced as a basis of support. But if you zoom in one more level, you can see that there is a near-term basis of resistance. These old lows that we saw throughout August and into September, around the 1780 mark, that is resistance now. And as the RSI just creeps back towards 50, well, this is effectively, again, a mid-range pivot, because you could argue there's a range between the 1740, 1750 area of support and up towards 1834, 35. So it could again be a crucial test on this FOMC meeting. Any hawkish move from the Fed is likely to drag gold lower, as it will on euro dollar, and that would be something that we're looking out for, I think, today. And finally, with the DAX, well, we've been in this uptrend channel, but what I'm going to do now is just remove this uptrend channel to reveal the fact that effectively we are in a broad trading range now on the DAX, where the support came in the other day, where we were at just above 15,000, and you got the resistance that's now coming in overhead. All these old trading levels from all the highs and the lows that we've seen at the midpoint of this range that starts coming around 15,450 area up towards 15,530. So basis of resistance around the mid pivot area there, mid-range pivots. And how the market reacts around this level is going to be important. Obviously, we've had a sharp rebound in the last couple of days, but once more, that RSI effectively just unwinding back towards 50. So if the market now turns over at this point, that is really quite negative within the range once more, and you'd start to think about testing to the downside around that 15,000 level. But again, a really important test as we approach this Federal Reserve meeting. Anything hawkish could hit market sentiment to the downside, and that would be dragging DAX lower in due course. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative for your trading. Join me again on Friday, where we'll be digesting a hectic week for markets and looking at what the impact has been. So I'll leave you with the Infonox support and resistance table, and I will speak to you then. Thank you very much, and good luck with your Fed trading, everyone.